alien vomit. We got our ingredients, and they're gonna have. So let's get started. I'm adding ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, that was a little much, but that's fine. I have our ingredients here. So let's open the glue. Let me open that real quick. Alright. Let's pour it in. And watch that pour. Alright. How's this going? And you gotta use 4 ounces. Just 4 ounces to make this. And this is exactly 4-ounce bottle. It's right here. That's it. Alright, I think that should be it. Alright, now let's stir. 3, 2, 1. For the liquid detergent, there's Trinity. Hey, Trinity. Alright. Gotta slowly add it, but it's almost coming to us. Alright.
There you go.
The liquid detergent. Oh, that's falling all over me. Alright, I'm gonna start adding it.
Oh, wow, I like that. You separated that in colors. Everybody got their laundry detergent?
Oh, let's make this part.
Jackie, I'm glad you're here.
Ooh. Alright, mix. 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 Add a little more. Looks gross. Yeah, it does. It's looking pretty good. And as that's pouring, and we'll be adding some weird trash. So the trash there, all that weird stuff. All right. Keep mixing. I'll be back because you don't want to see this mixing. All right. So it looks gross. It's like a slimy substance. You can play with it. It's like weird. Alright, so it's time to start adding these. I'm just going to get a little bit of these. Just pour that in there. Alright. Can you do the count for me real quick?
I'm kind of busy.
Oh, yeah, she's busy.
There's hair in it.
Oh, ew, why is there hair? Alright. Okay, so I think I'll mix this. It's looking like gross. Alright, let me mix it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And it's awesome. Except this mess. I added some of that. And it just messed up so bad. So I just took it out and now it's very stretchy. Fun to play with. So how are you guys doing? Huh? Yours looks like real vomit.
I know.
Hey guys, check out my video. Julie and Taylor, out!
Alright. Yeah, this is actually really cool. Here.
Henry.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. There. Alright. Here's a slime. Or alien vomit. Well,
remember what I told you guys about it being really sticky.
Look at it's Amadaka. It turned out really good.
yeah.
Look at you, I loved what you're doing there.
What did you think of our vomit? Making a video. What do you think of our vomit?
I want to show my mom this slime.
And mine makes bubbles.
Yeah, so does mine, but I still have a bunch of the stupid stuff messed mine up.
Now, these are
Right, guys.
gross. I'm not sure if I like these. Okay.
Well, that sucks, but it's still fun to play with. It is stretchy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, keep dripping. Alright. Can I play with you some real quick?
You might
Got it.
I got mine.
Look at mine just popped the gun.
Yeah, you just make more of it.
Yeah, but it's still coming up, see?
No, that's gonna pop. Could I use yours real quick?
Yeah, look what you're doing. I told you when you first it, it goes everywhere. Stop what you're doing. That's really gonna stress me. Little chemist. Chemist.
Grab that for me, I can't grab
It's awesome. The worst. Alright, let's try to make a Instagram swirl.
Do not walk to the
Holy!
Do not.
Show this. Then
walk
show
to
them
the
this.
sink. Use your paper towel.
Looks like a poop.
I'm gonna retry that. That was a bad one. Look, show them this. Play with it in front of the camera. Hers is good. Mine's not that good. All you need is your glue, exactly 4 ounces. Put it in there. Get your Gain detergent, and you put it in the bowl. Oh, you also need your food coloring. You mix it really good. It turns good substance. And then we added this, but it just didn't work. So.
Oh my gosh, you're getting it everywhere. I'm gonna test Cheetos.
Guys, feel yours. This feels good. What? Feel mine. Might go hard.
Trinity, what did I say about staying at your station? Okay, please, guys, come on. We don't want it all over the floor. So, if it's like that, I will give you if it's all sticky like Shane, you're not taking that anywhere.
Okay.
You're throwing it away. That will be no good to anyone. But if it's a blob,
Mine's awesome.
I'm talking. Thank you. Just a second, Kalud, and I'll answer your question.
Look at mine. It's so clicky.
Wait, you should let me try yours. Look at Gilbert. Mine's all hard.
Jackie.
This is Gilbert. This is Leah. This is awesome.
I have to ask why.
You're mixing. See, look, you're mixing.
Here, people. This is our slime. And it's pretty cool. I'll be right back. So awesome. I didn't tell you what. So I'll make a little swirl. Alright. Yeah, keep that. Okay. Alright. No cord.
Hey Henry, watch this.
Alright, then you can swirl. Let's see if this one works. Nope, it was a fail. Look at that. Fail. Alright, let's try that again. No! Alright.
Yours doesn't even stick to anything, Jasmine.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, it does.
Alright. Okay, so you should see stretch that.
Dude, look it.
Trinity.
Mine are.
Alright, watch this.
Drawer. And just gotta open up their Sharpies. Let's get the names on this bag.
Okay, you know what? I can't do. Alright.
Look at mine.
It's just. It was cool. Yours is start.
We're coming. Jackie's getting all the Sharpies.
Alright.
Jackie, there's also some
Play with
Sharpies
yours.
in the
Play with yours.
left-hand drawer. You want to take it? But you gotta get it tonight.
Is this a Sharpie?
Yeah, that's a Sharpie.
I want to poke yours.
Purple. There you go. Are you gonna take yours home?
This one I'm taking home. That one's nasty. That's what it was at first.
Send it to me, please.
Alright.
517-9159.
Alright. So there it is. My slime. Or alien vomit. It's awesome. Hers is way better. I feel like hers is like the best. Hey, we should make a little tiny piece of them. See what it looks like. A little tiny piece. What are you doing? That's cold. So am I. Bye, everybody.
Slime.
And that was.
Put it in.